Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement our new questions. That is, write a Java program to remove space from the string. In the previous video, we will done remove the special character from the string, but we were not done with the space. How to remove the space from the string? So you might be getting confused how it's possible. If you're a beginner, you might be getting confused how it's possible to remove these spaces from the string, but it will be possible. Just like if your basics is clear, you can easily to understand how it happens. So let's start the video before wasting the time. So what we have to do first, let's take one string. Okay, this is the string. Okay, is equal to name of the string. Just take here input. Okay, input is equal to let's take like hello Java. Okay, I just take this and with semicolon because this is the Java. You have to use a semicolon in every place wherever is needed. So here you can see here this is the hello, and the between the hello and Java we have one space, but I don't want this space. I want to remove this space through the logic. We can do with the uh, inbuilt method as well, but first we have to discuss without the inbuilt method, then we have to discuss using the inbuilt method. Okay, so in this video we just use we did not use inbuilt method. So first of all, here we have to need a string builder, the string b u i l e string builder. It's the types of the string, like a string builder, and a string buffer. So here we are using the string builder. So you might be getting confused why we are using the string builder here. Because string is immutable. We cannot change the string values because the string is mutable. If you want to change, we can change it, but it will be creating the new object. That means yeah, it will be using the more memories. That's why here we use the string builder. So let's suppose if we have lots of number much amount of string stored in the memory. In that condition, you do not want to create the that much of object. So it will take the too much of area of your memory. So that's why here we just use the string builder. It will be easy to because it will be immutable, so we can easily to change in this string. So that's why we are using the string builder here. So string builder result, just take a result here, is equal to creating the new object, so constructor of the string builder. So if I have to remember once again what is this line. This is the string builder is a class, result is a object, new is creating, and the last one, the string builder, is a constructor of the string builder class. So wherever you are defining the object, this is called the constructor of that class. Okay, so let's move to the next. Next, what we have, let's take a for loop over here. We have to create our string. So this here, the string interesting part is here for int or not int, char c is equal to not. Okay, for each loop. Okay, is equal to not. Yeah, for each input dot to char array. What is the meaning of this line? You think that how it was how you are doing like that? I did not get it. Okay, you think like that. I actually because the here we have a string here. Okay, we have to convert this as a characters. Why we have to convert as a character? You will understand when we are implementing the next line. Okay. Now, if C is not equal to space, this is the space over here. Then uh, what we do? We have to result dot append C. Okay. So what is the meaning of this line is? So here we were converting to our string to the character. That means it will be storing like this in the memory. It will be storing like char c is equal to like h h then e uh, then e then l l like this. It will be storing. So it will be storing the space as well here. See, this will be the space like that. Okay, this is the space over here. So this is space. So what we are doing here, it will be iterating from the 0 to last of the string like this. Okay. So that means it will be iterating one by one, and it will check that here we have a space over here. Here we have a space. Let's ignore it and append. Append means just remove the space and print the characters only. Okay. So let's come back to this for loop. Outside this for loop. Now the interesting part is here as well. This out. So here we are printing the original string first. Then we'll see that how it's changing their behavior. Okay. Plus we have to use input over here. Now the next line system.out.println this out string without without spaces. Okay. And then plus result dot to a string. So we were converting back to the string. That is why here we use that to string. It's result dot to string. So and the to string method, what they are doing? They will printing the values instead of printing the address. Let's run it and check what we will getting and what we were achieving in this program. See, the original string is hello Java, and the without a space is hello Java without a space over here. That means our program is working fine. Here, if you're thinking this part is what is a to string is doing here, let me show you. If I remove this, sorry guys. So here, like, let's move this. Let's print it as a result and run it again. Okay, okay. So here as well it's printing the hello Java. So we don't have a problem with problem here. But sometimes it will giving the address instead of printing the values. So that case we have to use the to string over here. So I hope you are understanding the video. If you are still confusing, so don't worry about it. It's not any confusion here. Basically, we were just converting as a string builder and just printing as a result. But if I use the to string, it will be converting as a string back to the string. So that's why we were using the to string. So the two things, first to string is used to print the values instead of printing the address. Second, it will be converting as a string as well. And this line, the input dot to char array is basically is doing to convert to the string into the characters. And it will be storing like a HELLO, then space, then J, then A, then V, then A. So it will be storing like that. So it will checking the from the 0 to last. If we have a space, what we have to do? If C is not equal to space, what we have to do? Result dot append. So it will be removing the space and printing the values only. So I hope you will understand these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Sorry to uploading the very late video because now I'm doing job as well. So managing the time it will take more. So I did not manage the time right now. If I have a time, I will definitely made a video. So sorry to waiting too much. Thank you for watching Coding Pills.